Cool, so we've got our local installation of WordPress. The next thing we need to do is install the Gutenberg plugin. Right now, the Gutenberg editor requires a plugin. In WordPress 5.0, it's going to be included in that update. But until then, we have to use the plugin. And one thing I noticed is I called it Gutenberg blocks. So I'm going to real quick just go over and go to the customizer and change my site title. So Gutenberg. There we go. Okay, so let's go head over to plugins, add new, and just search for Gutenberg. And install this. All right, and go ahead and click activate. And just to make sure everything's working, I'm going to head over to Pages and check out the home page. And there we go. So we've got the Gutenberg editor installed. I would go ahead and play around with it a little bit because you're going to get really intimate with this. So go ahead and get familiar. And in the next video, we will lay out the groundwork for the WordPress, for the plugin for creating the blocks, since we have to create a plugin in order to create our own blocks. So I will see you there.